Hi guys! Today is Mama's birthday, so come and get ready with me! Syempre, first, hindi natin pwede kalimutan ang ating Wear Me Serum Bleaching Lotion. Of course, hindi natin pwedeng kalimutan ang ating Wear Me Serum Bleaching Lotion dahil hindi talaga mabubuo ang araw ko kapag hindi ako gumagamit nito. Wala talagang pwedeng skip na part. Dapat neck to toe talaga yan lahat distributed. Deliver it properly and gently, of course. Next is ang ating pang 7th day na thong. For today's Mama's birthday, I'm gonna wear all types of green color. So we'll start with the top and then the bag and the shorts. Then I'll show you later. Okay, so hindi ako haharap kasi wala akong shave. May mga gubat pa tayo dito. So first, I'm gonna show you my apple green shorts. This one is from Straightforward and ang size niya extra small. I bought this one in SM Lanang and very stretchy siya, guys. Kung kakain ka man, magkakabilbil ka after kain, you don't need to worry kasi matatakpan lang siya nito. Wow. Okay. Ayan, hanggang dito siya. Now, I'm gonna show you my top that I bought last February 29 on Abriza. This is, yeah, guess what? Guess what? You don't need to guess because it's Guess. And yeah, look. It's kind of same color of my shorts, but it's more, I think, lighter than this one. And look at the details. It's a very minimal but with touch of gold, and it's very cute and stretchy as well, of course, just like this. And let's see how it fits to me. Oh, as you can see, before I forgot, there's still a tag on here. So, nasa 2,298. Ang mahal pala ng bili ko nito. Ba't ako bumili ng 2,000? Hindi naman ako bumili ng worth 2,000 na damit lang. Wait. Okay, now that I cut it off, so I'm gonna wear this. And it looks like this. Parang normal lang. Bagay siya sa shorts, but I don't know what. Ano, i-tuck-in ko na lang. Pack-in ko na lang. Maong, hindi ako mahilig ng ano eh. Let's see daw kung nakatuck-in. Pangit? Oh. Yel, tanawa daw, Yel.
Pangit, di ba magpang-tuck-in?
Pangit lang, kayo na.
Wala akong pants kasi. Hindi ako mahilig ng pants. Yeah, so this is my final look because I don't have pants available and I don't really use pants except nung nag-aaral pa ako sa UM, guys. So, ang choice of accessories ko naman, accessories when it comes to my earrings, ayan, this one. May pa-pearl dito. Pearl yarn. Ayan. Yung gumagalaw-galaw siya. Galaw-galaw! Okay, so now of course. And now guys, I'm gonna use my favorite Wear Me Tinted Sunscreen na hindi lang siya the usual sunscreen na pang-araw, pang-protect ng ating skin, but also skincare. Kaya favorite ko to. But since meron tayong sample dito, eto na muna yung gagamitin ko, of course. Kasi sayang ito dito. But again, yung hinalo sa ating final na product na ni-launch is may additional si Man of natin na mas pinaganda pa talaga sa mismong product. So, enjoy it! My God, nati-TikTok sila sa labas. So, yung call time, guys, is 5:30. And now, we're done with this. Next to our lip and cheek tint. Of course, from Wear Me pa rin. Very, ano lang, normal lang yung look ko. Okay, this is how it looks after putting and applying Wear Me products. So, parang mistisa type lang. Sino ka dyan? Sino ka dyan, girl? So, ngayon, magsusuot tayo ng mga kasingsingan. Kasingsingan natin sa buong mundo. Tatlo na talaga ito eh. And, naalala ba niyo yung nabili kong tinta sa Sheng? Hindi ko alam kung bakit hindi ko naalala na letter B yung pinili ko. Sabi ko, sinong B? So, ang nickname ng mama ko is Bonnie. So, ayan, susuotin ko na lang siya ngayon. Para magamit ko naman to. Ang init niya sa leeg. I'll just remove this one for the meantime. Oh, diba? Mas maganda parang Cardi B yan. So, ngayon, magsusuot tayo ng favorite kong relo na binigay lang din sa akin. From Japan. Gusto ko suotin yung sandal na binili ko from Shein din. Pero parang hindi. Okay lang ba nude na color? Glossy later. Ang bag ko naman is this one or the white one. Parang na-over na ako ng pagka-green. So, I think I'll stick with the white one. Yung bigay sa akin ni Doctora. si CK. And then, eto na shoes. So, yung hair ko, ano bang gawin ka? Clip na lang man. Hindi kasi ako marunong talaga mag-ayos ng buhok, guys. Yan talaga ang takbuhan ko. Clip lang talaga. That's why, mahilig akong bumili ng clip. Hahatiin ko. Sasakit na naman ulo ko nito, guys. Ito na lang muna. Kasi sasakit na naman ang ulo ko kapag... Pak! Virgin yarn! Virgin yarn! And this is the bag. Okay, I'll stick with this bag. And ang gagamitin kong perfume is So Sweet. Ito yung favorite ni hubby. Talagang malaki yung kinuha niya. Sa akin yung 10 ml lang. But favorite ko pa rin si Hey Swifty. And Hey Swifty smell or scent is our signature scent of our Wear Me products. Bango. Kaya pag may nagpapapicture sa akin, mas naano nila itong si So Sweet kasi talaga ang tagal ng ang tagal mawala. Yung isa kasi parang nai-intimidate sila lumapit because it's kind of smell of expensive woman. Yeah. And this one is parang approachable lang. Kaya feeling ko mas na-approach nila ako kapag ganito yung smell ko. Okay, dyan ko kayo ipepesto while me wearing this sandal. Wow! Ang ganda naman ito. Lakas makasosyal. Pak, sino ka dyan? Okay, I'm here outside and here's my final look. Lakas makasosyal. Sino ka dyan? Kaninong anak yan? Ah! Cutie. Love it!